Hello, this is David Deshane, and I'd like to welcome you to this training video for the Contractor Pro software program. And I just want to show you guys something. This is an incredible piece of software, and who am I and why should you listen to me? And once again, I already told you my name. It's David Deshane, and I've done millions of dollars worth of construction over the last 10, 20 years, building houses, building warehouses, doing all types of construction from commercial, residential, and really, building my brand, but also doing serious volume over the last, like I said, 25 years. I've done well in the sense of, 20, 25 million just in the last 10 years. So one of the things that I really wanted to get into was talking about, what we've done with construction and having showrooms and showing homeowners what professional contracting is all about. And that's why I created this software, because I wanted to have a software program that helps all aspects of companies, whether it's a plumber, electrician, an excavator, anybody that is in the construction business. We need a good software program to work with us. And even when we're in the sales office and we're going through things or having a big construction meeting, we always use a software program that helps us, run the business, and that's what we need to get things streamlined and get right into the program. Okay, I'm going to start with the software program itself. Once you install it, there's a video training that'll walk you through the whole system, and I'm going to show you what we've created. And this is an incredible piece of software. Up on the top, you'll have the icon bars that will navigate through the system and get you into the different things, the items needed, the company file, the suppliers, products, built-in email letters, pictures, users, search bar, customers, your calendar, estimates, jobs, and a dashboard of everything that's going on with the company. Also, you have the drop-down menu up above that will help you log in to get quick access to these files as well, product company information, configuration, also your customers, if you're doing a customer search, estimate search, job search. It's kind of a quick snapshot of what you can log into, appointment by users and reports, and also support options and about the software itself. Now, first of all, when you first get into the software, you need to log in. So basically, we've set up the system with just quick admin. That'll get you into the software, and then you can change this afterwards. But just as a generic, anytime you log in, it's admin. That'll get you right inside, and you'll be able to access the data and get into the program. I'm going to go ahead and close these files. I had quite a selection of video pictures that were open, and this will go through the software. I'm using a screen capture program, so it's a little glitchy with the software. It's with Camtasia. That's what I'm shooting it with. But anyway, we'll go through, and I'm going to show you how you set up all your company information, whether it's through putting a logo in, if you want a logo in your contracts, your estimate text. We've already included this automatically for you, but it's fully customizable, so you can change anything down below here, add a link. Your job text, you can edit the same information. There's a couple of things with the estimate text and the job text. They're the same thing, but you can make changes. Have your attorney look at it. Here's where you put your company information, your address, and all the information. You want to fill all these fields in, and also the website address, and also the email. Each of your company information, you want to hit that and hit the save button. That'll get you into the company info. And also the setup. If you have suppliers, you'll want to go through and add your suppliers in. We put a few suppliers set up in the software itself, so whether you're an air conditioner all the way down through HVAC, painting, siding, window contractor, kitchen remodeling, general contractor, electrician, any of you guys, any contractor, this is set up for any business, and it's really easy to use. The products, if you have products or anything, you can do the same thing. We just added some basic things that you can actually use as a template, and showing the products in each and the pricing. And the training videos walk you through all this. It's real easy to use. If you want to add a product, it's simple. Add a product and put the stuff in. Your product supplier, SKU number, description, unit cost. You can add photos and images to the product. It's really a complete program. It's incredible for the price. You really can't beat this type of quality. Letters for your email templates. We set up this little template so you can send letters to anybody. You can add a template and all of a sudden start launching your editor to set up your email. It's real easy to use. And the email is set up through the system here, your email server. We basically put one in there. If you want to add your port and everything, you can do that as well. It's simply copy your email address. The server, it's right on your basic files that you have on all your email files. So go ahead and do that. That's real easy to use, and we go through all that in the training. And setting up your database file, you can actually install this on a server and just browse to the data wherever you're having it stored on. So whether it's on your server or any of the things that you want to store this file, and you can have it on your network, and I go through that in the training. That'll walk you through all that. Supplier list, it is incredible. Pictures, putting photos in all your jobs. If you guys are doing insurance claims, everything's here for you. So you can add all this stuff, product image, customer image for a job site or products, whatever you're adding in for images. And also the users. You can have as many users as you want in here. They can be set up username, password, and first and last, and you can have them active or inactive if you're the admin of the company. You can set all that up. Search bar, really a great, powerful tool. Any of the things that you've done in the past or months, you can do a quick search just to see. This will actually, if you have like a bunch of stuff in December, it'll give you a list of all the items that's going on in the company. And also July, it'll go year after year, a couple of years ahead. So it keeps track of all that. It's really a great little search tool. It pulls up like month to month. Customers, any of your customers that are in here, like I said, it's real easy to use. Customer information, any activity that's going on with your client. If you want to add an appointment for the calendar, you simply put it in here, name. You can actually drop down the username, so if you want to segregate it for different clients or different sales guys, whether it's an installation, measurement, all this stuff's in here. And again, that Google Maps integration. This is great because it'll actually show you a complete shot of what's the house. If you're searching around the area, this is a great little piece that's integrated with this as well. And this is all part of the program, your estimates, the letters and photos. So it keeps all of each customer information in each one of these databases in the database. So it's all in there, and it's awesome. It really makes a big difference when you're building a customer file and keeping all that in one neat little package, so you don't have to worry about it. So it's helpful. The calendar information, customers, all the stuff that's in here. My email keeps popping. Now the calendar, any of your clients, weekly, monthly, you can have all this at your fingertips. So if you put an appointment, add a new record, put the customer information in, it'll pop right up in the system, hit save, goes right in. Pretty self-explanatory with a calendar. You can also print this as well if you want to print it for take with you for the week or the day, and you can simply just print the button and you can have all your information right with you. Now doing the estimates, you can actually create the estimate, and it's really a nice system. It's a full enterprise class piece of software that you can put all together. You can have the admin, who the job's sold by, the estimate number created, and once again you have all the customer data. Once you put it into one place, you can copy it over to the next. You guys probably seen stuff like this where you add the photos and convert to a job. Once it becomes an estimate, you want to send it over to a job, and at that point you'll have a list of jobs that you can let me see, I just hit the wrong button on that. So add a job, same type of thing. If you want to add photos, you can put it in originally from an estimate, or you can just create a job, which is great. I mean, you can fly right through this stuff in a great snapshot of the dashboard. It'll automatically create any reports that you're doing. Unfortunately, I don't have any information in this data file, so it's not showing anything of what's going on with today. It usually has graphs and everything that will give you this week's, this month's, it'll pull it right out of the database. There won't be any, you know, like I said, there's nothing in there right now, so it might give us some just blank reports. So there's nothing there to look at, but it will give you all your upcoming events, main reports, and the things in there of all time, and all the stuff that's going on for the year or this year quarter. Great little quick snapshot. Little help information, some information about the version in the software, and also the help button. We have some support here, so this will bring you over to the training, and this will get you right into the training center, so you can have access to all the files that are in here for training and learning how to use the software. And if you need to get us directly, we have the help desk that'll give you some more information. And if you have a ticket or a question about what's going on with the software, you can certainly just go ahead and submit a ticket right to the main file here and have access to all the tickets. You can submit a ticket, which will give you, you put your information in, or you can, view existing tickets, or you can check the knowledge database. And we have some really good information in here. And if there's anything you need, you can search here with a question, hit search. How do I log in a password or something like that? It'll pull up a few items that are right here. I can't log in. Here's my password. How do I find my password? It'll kind of give you some reference. It's a great little help desk, and it's always there for you guys. We want to make sure you have all the tools you need to answer all your questions with the Contractor Estimate Pro software and Contractor Pro. This is really a great little tool. I really can't wait to see you guys use this software. It's great. I know you guys have probably seen some other software programs in the past, but this has everything wrapped up, and once again, it's created by a guy that is a contractor. I'm not just a software engineer or a accounting guy. That's all I do. This is what I specialize in, and I made sure to make this really customizable so you have everything you need with just a click of a mouse. Go down, hit the buy button, and we'll see you guys in the training center.